I have officially reached that age where I want receipts for everything. And yeah, that includes what happens on the road. So today I'm unboxing and testing the KYLTOOR 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam. Inside the box, you get the front camera, the rear camera, the cables, the mount, the memory card equipment, electrostatic stickers, and the user manual. So right away, this feels like it's meant to be a full front and rear setup, not just one little camera. The front camera is the main unit, and this records up to 4K. The rear camera records 1080p, which is nice because I do not just want to see what happened in front of me. I want to know what's happened behind me too. The front camera goes up on the windshield, and I'm using the electrostatic sticker first so I know I'm not mounting on the glass directly. This is a nice touch because it makes the setup feel a lot cleaner. Then I'll plug in the power cables and routing it along the edge so it's not just dangling down in the middle of the windshield like a phone charger from 2009. Rear camera is going towards the back window, and that gives you coverage behind the vehicle too. KYLTOOR says this has a 170-degree front view and a 150-degree rear view. So the whole idea is to reduce blind spots and capture more of what is happening around the car. Now that it's powered on, I want to see how easy it is to use. The big thing I'm looking for is simple. Can I see the road clearly? Can I review the footage easily? And does this feel like something I would actually leave in my car? The front camera gives you that 4K recording, and the rear camera gives you 1080p coverage, so this is really built for capturing both directions while you drive. KYLTOOR also includes HDR and WDR support, which helps balance bright headlights, darker streets, and low light situations. That matters because daytime footage is one thing. Nighttime driving is where a lot of cheaper dash cams start looking like you filmed the road with a potato. Callouts here. Another feature that I like is the G-sensor emergency lock. Basically, if there's a sudden impact, the dash cam can automatically lock that important clip so it doesn't get overwritten. That is the kind of feature you hope you never need. But if something happens, you're glad it's there. It also has parking monitoring, but there is one important note. For parking mode, KYLTOOR says you need a compatible hardwire kit, and that's sold separately. Once it's installed properly, the camera can detect impacts or vibrations while the car is parked and record that footage. So out of the box, this is great for driving footage. For full parking protection, you would want to add the hardwire kit. It's not flashy, not too overcomplicated. It's just one of those things you install and hope you never need for any sort of serious reason. But if something does happen, you have front footage, rear footage, app access, and locked emergency clips. And honestly, at this point in life, I don't need extra drama. I need proof.